We stopped for some piede mousse, literally translated foot and face. Pig's feet, cow's face, and stomach.
Okay, this is the real street food.
So we've had the real Neapolitan breakfast. Now we're having the real Neapolitan street food.
Yeah, try.
Signora, what is all this? Cioè, cos'è tutto questo? So first stomach, second stomach, third stomach, fourth stomach. There's cartilage, there's joints. I mean, all this yummy food, and I'm like, I can't do it. And I'm told, no, you have to try. You can't say you don't like something if you've never tried it. And I'm figuring, fair game. So I see the woman start cutting all this cartilage, the pig's feet, the cow's face, the stomach, and then a little bit of salt, and then squeezing that lemon. Basta, stop. We go out onto the street, and they're like, wait. First thing, start with the cow's face.
No.
It's crunchy, croccante. I'm thinking of the cow's face. I'm thinking what's crunching in my mouth, and I'm getting a cold sweat here. I mean, it's Naples, it's 21 degrees, and I'm getting a cold sweat.
Try this.
We move on to the first part of the stomach.
Okay.
Again, it's kind of chewy. Thank God there's lemon. And then they say, no, you gotta try now the pig's feet. And this is just like this gelatin kind of crunchy piece of foot. Lastly, they tell me to eat the breast. It's This I can eat. Now, the breast was good. Egidio says, clearly you're a breast guy. I mean, it wasn't that crunchy, chewy, cartilage-like texture. I didn't mind the breast. At one point, this woman comes up to me and she goes, no, you gotta eat it. She said, this will grow my hair. Okay, then I'll have both. The locals here, they love their food, and it was all about, trying it.
Can I drink?
Yeah, you can drink.